What if I told you that your Windows PC can clean its own storage automatically without any third-party apps? No manual deleting, no checking folders again and again, just one setting and everything runs in the background. Sounds useful, right? The only problem is most people either don't know about it or don't set it up correctly. Alright, so let me show you this step by step. First, I will open the Start menu and go into Settings. From here, I will click on System and then head over to Storage. Now on this screen, you can actually see what's taking up space on your PC. You might already notice some unnecessary space being used. I will scroll down a bit and here it is, Storage Sense. At the top, you will see this toggle switch. If this is off on your PC, just turn it on. This is basically the main switch. If this is off, nothing else we said below is going to work. Now comes the important part, deciding when Windows should run this cleanup. By default, it's set to run only when your storage is almost full. That's not useful because by then the problem has already happened. So instead, I will change this to a fixed schedule. If you use your PC a lot, installing apps, working daily, go with every week. But if you are a normal user, every month works perfectly fine. This way your system stays clean all the time, not just when it's too late. Next, we have the recycle bin setting. So what this does is, it automatically deletes files from your recycle bin after a certain number of days. I will set this to 30 days, that's a safe option. You still have enough time to recover something if you deleted it by mistake. Now right below that, there is another option for the downloads folder. And you need to be a little careful here. Your downloads folder can have important files like documents, installers or anything you saved for later. So if you set a short time here, those files will be permanently deleted without warning. Personally, I would recommend keeping this on never. But if you don't want automation, then at least set it to 60 days so you have a safe buffer. Now, if your storage is already full and you don't want to wait, just scroll down and click on Run Storage Sense now. This will clean everything immediately based on your settings. And that's it. Now your Windows PC will quietly clean itself in the background. No apps, no manual work, nothing. But here is something important. Storage Sense doesn't clean everything. There are still hidden files inside your system like deep cache, leftover system data, and old files from apps that keep building up over time. For that deeper cleanup and to actually free up more space, I personally use Advanced PC Cleanup. It finds the junk that Windows ignores, like duplicate files and invalid registry entries that actually causes crashes. I will add the link in the description so you can check it out later. After setting this up, did you notice any difference in your PC's performance? Share with us in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such helpful videos.